So at this point, he has only like 10 health left. And he plays, "The gates are open." And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and... Oh, come on. Are you serious? That was totally you. You what? Don't you accuse me. Come on, just admit it. It wasn't me. Hmm.
Someone just leave?
I think it was Smith.
Oh yeah, probably off to see his family.
Yeah.
Ayu, 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 apple.
Yeah? Oh, Henry! Oh, how's it going? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Huh. Yeah, I'm fine right now, actually. Where are you? The wall. Yeah, I think I've heard of that place. Actually, I'm pretty close. Yeah, I'm on a mission, but, I should have some time to swing by. Yeah, just, try to get outside and you know. Hey! Oh no no! But I missed the pad to climb. Boys there.
Sir, I got a message.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, it looks like Henry Stickmin. Yeah, Henry Stickmin has escaped. You still there?
Attention! We have an escaped convict. He was last seen heading towards the surface. Do not make me do this myself.
He's up there somewhere. We cannot let him get through this gate. Oh, nice art. Hey, you wanna try that? I have to say, Henry, I'm impressed. Really, I am. You're the first person to escape the wall, but this is the end for you. You've got two options here, Henry. You stay in there, or you return with us back to the complex. What's it going to be, Henry? Well, that's just too bad. Alright, everyone back to work. I will not forget about this. This is coming out of your paycheck, all of you.
That type them.